Here we have the McLouis 331, a wonderful Italian style compact motorhome, just coming in at under 6 metres. Can be registered as either a 3500 chassis or a 3650. The 3500 giving an impressive payload of 587, or the 3650 a fabulous payload of 737 kilos. The first thing you see when you enter the 331 is this classic Italian styling. This is a 4-berth, 4-seat belt motorhome. So you can see the 2 forward-facing seat belts there, and of course you've got the driver and passenger belts also. Once inside, you can see that you've got the fabulous Fiat Cab, based on their Ducato, with the 140 horsepower engine and the 6-speed manual gearbox, and all the standard niceties you'd expect in the cab here, with satellite navigation, cruise control, cab air conditioning, multifunction steering wheel. A really nice package. Here is the cooking and fridge area of the van. Again, beautifully styled. And if we just look across here, again we can see the 2 rear seats and the movable table. Really excellent feature on the 331 is its superb bathroom and toilet area. Beautifully appointed, and for a compact van, lots and lots of space. Of the dining area, as with all McLouis, you have the drop down bed, and again a simple button operation. That brings that bed down into a usable area, and of course there is a small ladder supplied to get up to that bed. Finally, at the rear of the van, and one of its greatest features, is the full-size transverse bed. This bed has got a little bit of a secret, that you can actually lift that up and you've got access to a great deal of storage underneath. And this of course is additional to the rear garage. And finally here you can see, even though a compact motorhome under 6 metres, a very, very spacious garage and storage for your LPG tanks.